All right, guys, today's Funnel Friday, and what we're going to do is we're going to demonstrate how funnel AI can help you build funnels. There's several different funnel softwares out there that allow you to quickly build a funnel, and not only build the funnel, but once the funnel is built, you can insert some of the text within those funnel pages using AI. So the first thing I want to do, go to my sites. If you have a different software, you just got to find where your funnel builder is at. Then you hit new funnel. As you can see here on the screen, it says start from blank, which is hard, meaning you have to build it from scratch. Funnel AI, which is what we're going to use today, and then you can have templates. So even if you're not using the funnel AI, there's already built templates for different purposes, right? It could be a sales funnel, a webinar funnel. And if you use the templates, you'll find one that fits your need best. But in Funnel AI, we're going to click on that. We're going to hit continue. And then we're going to put the name of the business. Let's just put Life Agency. Select the industry. We're going to put life insurance. And then we're going to hit next. All right. So here, I'm looking for a funnel for it'll have already inserted the industry you're in. Business to generate more leads. You could change that to get more appointments, showcase your service, sell products or service. So you can change it. We're going to start with get more leads. We're going to pretend this is like your lead magnet page. And then the content should feel professional, friendly, inspirational, conversational, humorous, sarcastic, persuasive. I'll go with friendly for now. And then you hit generate. Usually takes about 2-3 minutes. So bear with me as this goes through. If this is a record, if you're watching a recording, I likely will edit it till it's done. So as you can see here, it's generating the funnel piece by piece. Now it's generating the text elements of the page. So this may take anywhere from 2 to 5 minutes, which is a lot better than trying to build it yourself, especially for us in the life insurance industry. We're limited on time. We don't have, all day to be building funnels and stuff. And then it's just another skill that you have to add under your belt. So if you can use AI to do so, very helpful. So it looks like it says 70% done. It's generating images. By the way, I mentioned earlier, you can use AI to change some of the text on there. You can also use AI to find some images if you want, or most funnel builders have stock images, stock footage and stock images. And then if not, you can just provide from if you use something like Canva, you can get pictures from there and use them in here, or Google. Just find pictures that are not copyright, pictures that are available for, reuse, and you can add them to your funnel. But the beautiful thing is the purpose of this is, hey, I have a funnel that's built. I don't have to go through all the basics of building it. The skeleton is built. For the most part, it's filled out. I go in there and make a few tweaks. So here it says, protect your future with Life Agency's trusted insurance solutions. Bad, right? So it built me an entire lead generation website. Now, I'm going to change the pictures because it just found something for protection. And so I put police. So you would simply go in here, click on these pictures, and then you would enter your stock footage area. You can upload your pictures and have my media. I'm going to go to Unsplash and just put pictures of family. All right. So you can have a picture like this, right? I like it already. So I would go in here and just change some of the pictures. I guess the AI picked up the word protection or agency, and it decided to put pictures of police. So we're going to go in here and just change it to family. But the beautiful thing is, again, it's already done. You don't have to worry about building this from scratch. Oh, look at this one. I like this one a lot. Ooh, it's already looking good. And then if you don't like the color scheme, you can always just click on here. You have the ability to change the background colors of some of these areas to match your logo. You can add your logo here. And then the buttons, you can click on the buttons, hover over this background color and change it. It's pretty much the same on all funnel builders. And as you go through here, just continue changing these pictures. I'm going to put another picture of a family here. Let's go with Unsplash. And then again, you can provide your own pictures. I sometimes upload mine from Canva myself. Let's see. Oh, I like this one a lot. As you audit these pictures and you change them, the other thing you can do after this is start changing the text, read through the text and change it. I'm going to show you that next. After I change this last picture, let's see. This is a nice one here. Okay. So I'm going to, just for now, just for that, I'm going to change. This is funny, actually. Let me change this one too. This is funny. That's hilarious. So I did go with the protection theme. This is really funny, actually. All right, so we're gonna go back to Unsplash. I'm just going. By the way, I'm going between the stock footage of Unsplash and Pictory. And then I'll change this one as well. We'll do, let's see, that one's funny. Let's continue on. Let's do this one for now, just a change of scenery. Cool. And then you can insert if you have testimonials. If you don't, you can simply just take this section if you don't want to add testimonials and delete it. And then go through here and start basically building this section here. The cool thing is it built a lot of these frequently asked questions for you, which is awesome. You would go here, customize this. This information here will be pulled from these are called custom values and custom values. So when you start an account, typically with a funnel, it'll ask you for some custom values. Hey, what's the name of your agency? What's your address, your phone number? And it'll just pull that stuff so you don't have to keep on entering it every time. Even your logo, you could do that in the future as well. But here you would just, simply put your logo in there. Then the next part is you go through here and you would say, okay, let me change this wording around, right? And then if you wanted to change this, when you highlight it, there's an AI right here, and then you hit generate with AI, put write a welcoming sub pair or under the title of a life insurance page. So I like to use AI to build all of mine. So I would hit generate, and then you can even provide, like, if you liked that heading there, and then you would hit copy and then continue, and then just make sure it looks good. Welcome to a world where peace of mind and family security are our top priorities. Our life insurance solutions offer the compassionate protection you deserve, ensuring that your loved ones are cared for no matter what tomorrow brings. Safeguard your family. So safeguard your family's future today because your legacy is worth preserving. As you can see here, you can enter here, customize all this stuff that's already built. I mean, this is essentially an entire website built for you. And then the last thing you would do is customize the buttons, right? So when you customize the color of a button, when you click on it, you can do the color. You can change the text on top of that button, schedule now. You can say book appointment, and then you point it to where you want to go, right? You point it to what you want it to do. So if you have a calendar link, you can add your calendar link right there. If you have a survey, maybe you want to, instead of schedule now, you want to put get quote, and then someone can fill out a survey. Like we have that built for our Life Agent AI members, where we have surveys for permanent insurance, for term insurance, and then for general, like when they just have an inquiry, and we send it to people or we put it on our websites. And just a testimony, the other day on YouTube, I had someone, I can see, because Life Agent AI tells you where did the traffic come from when somebody visited your website. So somebody visited from YouTube, which I'm assuming was my videos on YouTube. It filled out a get a quote form. So we have their information. And then my AI chatbot started chatting with them, and my workflow started chatting with them. They called back and responded. So we're working on a quote for them. So that was done all through, AI generated, and me using my social media planner inside Life Agent AI to post reels to all my accounts in one click of a button. And then from there, I've been consistent with that. Somebody clicked on my link, landed on my page similar to this, hit get quote, which is on top of my life insurance page, and then they filled out a survey. So when you have these buttons, you can have it either schedule an appointment or get a quote, whatever you want. So pretty much this is done. All you would do for changing your logo is click on it. When you click on a field, you simply click this image button here. It'll open up the media library. You just upload your logo there. And once your logo is uploaded, you would click on it and it'll show up right here. So again, Funnel Friday, we're just teaching people how to quickly build a website and, a place where they can capture leads quickly. You saw this took no less than, I don't know how many minutes, no less than 10 to 15 minutes to build this entire thing out. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. And if you want this all in one software, check out our Life Agent AI software. It's affordable. It replaces all subscriptions you have. And a lot of this comes pre-built for you. Websites, funnels, things like that. You already have it built and customized for you. And then you get the support on the other end. We can support you on one-on-one or through our group trainings on how to use the software to maximize it to get the most out of it for your life insurance business. So I appreciate you guys for watching this video. Feel free to follow us, hit the subscribe button, or just comment below. We would love to, get some feedback from you.